In most cases, it is very important to request of loan from these agencies. Situations like emergencies sometimes requires you to take loans in order to complete the kind of emergency situation you want to take care of. So it is more important for you to take loans from some agencies at some time. Moreover, business ventures can also promote and improve their businesses or products by taking loans at some certain time in life. In other ways, students most especially, being on campus is not easy, and sometimes you are eligible to take loans in order to take care of some tasks on campus. On this particular video, I'll be showing you 5 good apps which can help you or improve your life in taking loans, and also the fastest way. The most exciting part is they actually give this amount of money via your Momo or your banking system. So if you don't have a banking system, you can receive it directly on your phone within some few minutes as well. But please mind you, I'm no way a financial advisor. I am just guiding you and taking you through how you can start making money online. Kindly subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell in order to get notified whenever I drop a new content. Like this video actually, and also give me a nice comment as well. You can join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. The link to both can be found under the description as I'm moving on. So on my screen here, you can see the first one I will talk about is the Fido. Most of us have heard about Fido, and most of us have been getting money out from Fido agency's platform. Actually, you can get the Fido app on the Play Store or the Apple Store as well. So all these websites I'm about to talk about, or agencies, have gotten an app of which you can take them directly from the App Store or on the Play Store. So I will take you through the first step, which is the Fido. Just get registered on Fido, download the app, get registered on Fido, and then you're going to receive an SMS by just inputting in your mobile phone number. This actually works in Ghana. Fido works in Ghana mostly. Choose a PIN which will serve as a security code for you, and then let them know who you are by providing your selfie, Ghana card, and address, valid ones, which can help you get access to the loan limits. All right, so assess your Fido score. After providing all your information, they are going to assess your score and give you the loan you are required to take. It's very simple and very easy. Just get yourself a loan sometimes when you need the money, and then pay it at the right time. The more you pay it, the more they are going to credit it as well. So you can take an action requesting business or personal credit, buying airtime and data bundles on Fido too as well. So Fido is one of the best way you can start taking loans from them, most especially particularly in Ghana here. You can start making money with them. You can join them on Telegram, Facebook, IG, and LinkedIn, most of them too as well. So Fido is one of the app I will talk about. Let's talk about the second one, which is known as the branch loan app. So the branch loan app is an international loan which can help you take loan as well. So this actually works Africa, like internationally. So you can take loans from branch as well. All you have to do is to just get the app on the Play Store or on the Apple Store as well. And the most interesting thing is branch is not about loans only. You can also transfer money via branch. As you download the app, you can pay your bills on branch and more out there. You can save up here on branch too as well. So just get the app on the Play Store or the Apple Store, create an account which will take you about 30 seconds to 1 minute. All right, create an account for that, apply for the loan that meet your standard or your need. All right, so the loan that you need, just apply for the loan and then receive it in your wallet, which will take you as Momo or your banking system. All right, so you can do this currently wherever you are as you're watching this video. All right, so this is one of the best way you can also start making money online. But please mind you, I'm doing a financial advisor. You can start making money online as I'm taking you through. So the third one I also recommend for you is the Carbon Pay Later loan. All right, so your Carbon Pay Later loan is one of the best way you can also get your money or take a loan from them. So you can actually download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. So take care of your business's finance or emergencies with low interest, carbon loan between 100 Ghana cedis to 5,000 Ghana cedis. So Carbon also actually give 100 Ghana cedis to 5,000 Ghana cedis, which will be credited into your mobile money or your banking system to as well. So being a Nigerian, be wherever you are watching this video, you can try it with Carbon Pay Later Loan, of which in order to get them, you have to apply online. All right, you have to apply online. You click a date in your loan applications. So your application process by filling form online. All right, so as soon as you click on the get started or apply for loan, as you can see here, they will just take you through the processes and steps. You provide a valid email to as well. You provide your national ID, you give out a bank statement, a passport photo, and also your passport ID to as well. You receive your money into your wallet as I've been taking you through the process. It's very easy for you to do that. Just get yourself something loan on this website I've been talking about out here. All right, so this is very simple for you guys. You can start making money online with this or apps I've been telling you here. All right, so the fourth one I also talk about is what we all know is the MTN mobile money. All right, so the MTN, most Ghanaians have been using the MTN. You can just dial *170#. You select the financial aspect of the option, and then you click on the quick loan or the loan which is out of option 5. You click the quick loan or the express loan. With MTN, you are eligible to take from the first person or the first start. You are eligible to take about 30 to 50 Ghana cedis. Most of us also come at 25 Ghana cedis to 50 Ghana cedis for the first time. The more you pay the money in, or the more you borrow and pay the money, the more they actually give you much of the money. So you pay, they give you the money, you come and pay in that way. In order for me to continue with this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, give me a nice comment, and also hit on the notification bell whenever I drop a new content just like this. So as we are talking about MTN, with MTN, most of us have not qualified yet, but in order for you to qualify with it, you should be a person who mostly receive money, send money, have money. You used to have money much on your mobile money wallet. All right, you transfer money, you receive money most of the times, gaining much points of Momo, then you are eligible to take that. So most of us have not qualified. This is one of the secrets why we are not eligible to take money from the MTN mobile money app. So I hope you find these particular videos. All these websites, all these agencies I've talked about comes with a cool interest which will make your head cool. All right, it's not going to blow your mind. All right, this is actually going to make the head cool. So all these agencies I've talked about actually gives cool interest on the money you're going to take. All right, so it depends on the agencies you choose to take your money from. All right, so make it cool out there, get something cool for yourself. And also, as I've said, I'm not your financial advisor. Please, I'm just guiding you and taking you through how you can start making money online, being a student, be a business partner, be just at home for emergencies reason, and many more. I hope you found this particular video interesting. As you are subscribed, I hope to see you in my next video, which will be waiting.